Welcome to Courtline Media, where every case has a story and every verdict changes lives. Let's step inside the courtroom.
Yes. Good morning. What's
Morning,
happening with
Judge.
Good morning. What's happening with this?
Well, this is our plea deadline today, and I thought we had it worked out, but Brianna is double thinking this, thinking more about it, and I don't know exactly how this court would do it. I'm wondering if the court would give us one more reset to go over everything with her family.
How old are you? 6. All right. This is what I always tell people. The talking with the family should have been before you got in trouble. For example, I have young people who will come to me. They go to a party, there are drugs at the party, and then everybody ends up getting arrested. And then they're like, well, I need to talk to my family. I'm like, you should have talked to your family and said, I'm going to this party at this person's home. Their parents are not going to be here. There may be drugs or alcohol there. What do you think I should do? Instead of get arrested, then what should I do? So today is your plea deadline date. If an agreement is not reached, your next setting is going to be a jury trial date. So if you want to discuss that with your attorney, you can. Yes. All right, thank you. Who's next?
Danielle on page 640 out.
DeLeon, Lorenzo.
Morning, Judge.
Good morning. You know, there was a good movie out once. It was called Lorenzo's All. I think it was up for Academy Award, supposedly based on a true story. I think Susan Sarandon was in that. All right, where are we on Discovery Council?
I believe I received all the discovery, Judge. I just received a plea this morning, so I would like a reset for a plea deadline if possible.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson, if I can have a plea, how old are you, sir?
I'm 40.
All right, if I could have a plea deadline date in 3 weeks, please.
That'd be June 11th.
All right, June 11th is your plea deadline date.
Yeah, 6 and 7.
All right, thank you.
I followed it off. Okay.
You're welcome.
I'm done. You want me to just once? Sorry.
Who's next?
Christina Moreno, page 1, down.
Bueno. Here's them behind you.
Hello.
Good morning,
Looks like I just saw you yesterday.
You did, you did.
All right, on this case, plea deadline date was extended today. Do you have all the videos from DPS?
They put them on last week for me to see, and I didn't see them, didn't know it. So I just need a week to look at them,
All right.
and I'm sure it'll be a plea.
Okay, Miss Ferguson,
Yes.
if you'll recall this in 3 weeks.
I can do it next week if you want.
Oh, you want to do it next week?
Let's do it next week.
So if you want to come back on that Tuesday,
Do it Thursday.
the Thursday?
28th. 28th.
All right, so we'll be back on the 28th for a plea deadline date. Once you sign the reset form, you'll be excused. Make sure you're on time next time, okay? Thank you. No problem.
Waiting for his, How come I filed an application letter 6 days to a year ago? And this is my daughter's award ceremony. And we've been trying to contact.
All right, who's next?
I said, I don't have any associates. I can't send anyone else. But I
thought you had assistants.
like I don't have any associates. I would have just sent them anyway. I don't have anyone, but I'm just a little frustrated because I personally filed that letter.
And I told him to come.
5/20.
The 13 days to be able to.
They've come by the courthouse. They've come by twice.
I can hear.
13 and then.
Who's next?
Again.
It is John Vargas, page 3, 2 down.
John Vargas.
Don Vargas.
I got her recently.
No pressure.
Why was it set on the painting? It shows on the system that I was.
Hello?
Morning, Judge.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
Judge, we are missing the primary dash cam of the stop that is detrimental to this case. I did file a motion to suppress, but it will be determining if I urge it or not after I can actually see that video.
All right, State, where's the dash cam video on this? Okay. All right, Norma,
Okay.
you all will need to confer off docket, but set this for a motion to suppress in 30 days.
Yes, ma'am.
And if it's not going to be a motion to suppress, let us know.
Okay, thank you, Judge.
June 22nd.
Let me just verify my calendar, but I think so.
All right,
Thank you, Your Honor.
you're welcome.
I have a certificate of appeal. Says they're on back order. Robert. Okay. And
Another court.
Thank you.
you guys are the people that goes. You guys are- Yeah.
Norma, do you do them in the morning?
In the morning?
No, do you do them in the morning?
Are you in?
Okay, I do have some other stuff, but I am in Bear County, so it's fine.
All right.
Do you want to do it in the morning or do you want to do it in the afternoon?
Whenever they want to do it, morning, afternoon.
The afternoon at 1:30.
All right, what's the date?
June 22nd
All right,
at 1:30.
all right, who's next?
Randy Gallegos. He's on page 7 at the bottom.
Randy Gallegos?
Gallegos.
Morning, Judge. He's present on Zoom.
What? All right. So, today's plea deadline date.
Yes, Your Honor. At this time, we're requesting a trial setting.
All right, how long do y'all expect this jury trial?
About 3 days.
All right, Norma, Criminal Trial Division, jury trial, 3 days. Look for dates in July. If that's available.
Yes, sir. And we have July 7th.
All right, your jury trial date will be July 7th. You need to be present in the courtroom. All right, thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. Thank you for addressing appropriately, even though you're on Zoom. You always do, though. I appreciate that.
Yes, ma'am. God bless you. Thank you.
All right, thank you. Who's next?
The next one, Judge,
Yes.
is Garrett Dillon on page 4, 3 down.
Garrett Dillon. Hi, how's it going? All right, and counsel, for security reasons, they want the defense attorneys on this side.
I can't.
Oh, no
It's a little
problem.
different. So.
All right, so where are we on discovery?
I'm the at-large indictment, Your Honor,
Okay.
and I've actually had a vacation left on file for a year. It's my daughter's award ceremony today. We've been trying to reset this. They said I'd be here.
You could send an email or something to me.
Sorry.
I'm always like children, you know,
I
you're gonna
do
be there. When is her thing? What time?
It starts in 10 minutes. So
Oh, well, you need to get out of here. Norma, give them a 45-day reset for discovery.
And I'll confer with the state some more via email.
Oh, no, go. You need to not do that.
Thank you.
Go to the award ceremony. What date, Norma?
July 6th.
All right, we'll see you back on July 6th.
Thank
Oh,
you.
but yeah, next time, at the end of the day, don't come. Go to the award ceremony. We can always handle
He used
this.
to be my neighbor, so I didn't want to leave him here alone. So
Oh,
I'll make that.
nothing was gonna happen without you. All right, just sign the reset form, then you're excused. You're welcome. All right, who's next? Domingo Villa?
Yeah.
Good morning.
I forgot to add.
Okay. All right, no problem. All right, are y'all ready to proceed on the motion?
Your Honor, if I could just have one moment, I just need to pull it up. I don't have to mention.
Are y'all gonna proceed on the motion or?
Yes, Your Honor.
Yes.
All right. Court is calling 2024 CR 012063 State versus Domingo Javier Villa. Can I have parties announced?
Ashley Jones for the state.
Eric Hernandez for the defendant, Mr. Villa.
And are you Mr. Villa? All right, did you review the document entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilt and Revoke Community Supervision with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes.
Are you the same Domingo Javier Villa who was placed on deferred adjudication in 2024 CR 012063 for the offense of aggravated assault with a deadly weapon on June 3rd, 2024 for a period of 3 years? Is that you?
Yes.
All right, state?
Yes, violation of condition number 1 on or about 5th day of April 2026 in Bear County, Texas. The defendant Domingo Javier Villa committed the offense of assault in violation of condition number 1.
How do you plead to that? True or not true?
True.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 1, the court could find it true, grant the motion, find you guilty, and sentence you up to 20 years in prison and up to $10,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1?
Huh?
Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 1? All right, court will find violation of condition number 1 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is, Your Honor. The proposed agreement is to deny the MTR and continue this defendant on probation, but add a no contact order with the complainant in venue number 1 case, except for child exchanges to go through a third party, and then to add the bid course.
All right, so what is happening with this number 1? What is this about?
Your Honor, the facts of the case.
Yes.
The facts of the case is they were at a child exchange, and this defendant and our complainant got into an argument. This defendant closed the door on our complainant plus complaint.
When you say close the door, you're talking about a car door?
Yes, Your Honor.
So what, was she in a vehicle and he slammed her door, or was he in his vehicle and he slammed his door?
Sure, which vehicle they were in. It seems that this defendant was getting the diaper bag as well as the child out of our complainant's vehicle and slammed the car door.
Your Honor, it was at the end of the visitation and he was placing the child in the car.
Okay.
There was some facts that I won't get into because I don't believe we're going to be taking that case to trial, but there was some frustration with the condition that the mother's family arrived in. Out of frustration, he hit the door. It struck her. He was not trying to hurt her. Was it negligent and reckless under the code? That would be a question for a jury, but quite possibly. But it was at the end of the visitation. He was placing the child in. Emotions got the better of him. He hit the door, was not trying to injure the mother, but she may have been harmed in the process.
All right. So did she have to go to the doctor?
I'm not aware of that, Your Honor.
Okay, then the court will find violation. I'm sorry, are you waiving your right to appeal?
Yes, Your Honor. We'll wait.
All right, the court is finding violation of condition number 1 true. Court would deny the motion. All right, good luck to you. All right, anyone else ready?
No, not yet.
Nobody's called for him. Oh, we're waiting for the date. Who, on Odoms, did we get a date for that?
No, not yet, Judge.
All right, Mr. Odoms, we're just trying to get a date for you.
Yes.
Have y'all heard back from your investigator on Odoms?
But I have not heard from her.
Norma, recall Odoms in 30 days.
Yeah. June 22nd.
All right, we're going to bring you back in June, on June 22nd. If they have the information before then, they just need to let the court know when, put you on the docket sooner, okay? All right, thank you.
Adjudication?
Deputy Laura Odom can go back.
This case.
And what page is Odom on? Oh, I found it. Okay.
You go on page.
Nine. I'm sorry.
Six at the bottom.
All right, thank you. All right, who's next?
We're still waiting for the finding.
All right, well, I'm taking my recess at 11 and they can continue to confer after I have left and they'll come back at 1:30.
Sorry.
I was here yesterday. Station person. And the judge said June. Change. But I'm. I passed on. Give you that. Not today. But I also had. And that one we got. I don't have one. The state has the files. I can tell them to cancel them because I actually have. So.
Right there.
Yeah.
So we probably friends and I should be too bad. That's how much. I tell them.
Okay.
What are you? Page 5 top. Judge, may I approach?
Yes.
Page 5 at the top. On your docket, it says Charlie Perkins.
Yes, I thought we did that.
We did 2 days ago.
Yeah.
So it's set for June 9th. If I could be excused, but I've already been talking to Megan about how I'm missing discovery.
Okay.
Megan's going to look into body camera, dash camera.
Yeah, this shouldn't be on the docket today.
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Yes, you're welcome. All right, anyone else ready?
No, ma'am, no one's.
All righty.
Oh, ask Ms. Abrams, okay, want state and local.
Thank you. Mark Anthony Guerrero. Norma, did Miss Christian take care of Trujillo?
I think she has to.
If you'll let her know, I'm not sure she knows. Jessica Navarro. Timothy Soto. Are you Timothy Soto? Oh, just have a seat. Jacob Montes or Montanaz. And they can remain to confer until the 12 o'clock hour.
That's right.
Everyone makes like a breaks. Then times that you can take a break. And sometimes in the evening we could rest. And then make just like such a out on lost. You know, if you want to. If you were at